Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about objects as arguments. So we're going to learn how to use objects or pass them in as arguments in functions. So let's say we have a class called man for example purposes, and for now we can set the name to none. And let's have a function called change name. So the man has no name as of now, but we want to pass it in, or we want to change the name, of the man. So from no name to some kind of name. So we want to pass in a person and the name of that person. And we want this function to say person dot name equals name. So it's going to change the name of that person to another name, or to the new name given. Great. So let's make a man object. So let's say man1 equals man. And let's make two more actually. Okay. And now let's change the name. Let's use the function. So we're going to say change name of man1. So as you can see right now, we're using the object as an argument, and we're going to change the name to, let's say, Mike. And let's see. Oh, I forgot to print it. So print man1 dot name Mike. Okay, great. So let's change the names for the other two men. So man2 and man3. Let's say man2 will be John and man3 will be Yusuf. And print the rest. So man2 and man3, and there you go. And if you want to add a different type of class, so for example right now we have a class man, you can do it with another class. So let's say class woman and name equals to none. And person, this can be literally anything. I'm just using person because it's kind of, you know, more general, but just make sure that this and this are matching. They have to have the same name, the same variable name. And yeah, so woman name equals none, and then we make a woman object. That's kind of ironic. And then we can print woman dot name, and don't worry, I didn't forget to change the name. So change name, we can say, actually as of right now, if we print it, it'll say none. Yeah, it should say none. But if we change it, we can change it to whatever we want. Say for example Lisa. And that's pretty much it for objects as arguments in Python. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And of course, as always, the full code will be posted in the comments down below.